On 24th February 2021, the Motera Stadium at Ahmedabad, renamed as Narendra Modi Stadium, was inaugurated. The brand new stadium is now the world's largest stadium as far as the seating capacity is concerned. This new stadium hosted the third test of England's tour of India and the first pink ball test of 2021. Here, let us now look at the top cricketing stadiums of the world. Number 10, Sydney Cricket Ground, Sydney, Australia, 48,000 capacity. SCG, as it is popularly called, has a seating capacity of 48,000 spectators. The stadium was inaugurated in 1854. The first test was played at SCG in 1882 between Australia and England. The first ODI was played on 13th of January 1979 between the home side and England, while the first T20 happened on 9th of January 2007, also between the Ashes rivals. A total of 109 tests have been played here, with 705 for 7 made by India being the highest. The lowest total at SCG is 42 all out by Australia against England. 159 ODIs have been played here, with 408 for 5 scored by South Africa against West Indies being the highest, and 63 all out by India against the Aussies is the lowest. Number 9, Dockland Stadium, Melbourne, Australia, 48,003. Also known as the Etihad Stadium, it has a seating capacity of just over 48,000 spectators. The stadium was inaugurated in 2000. This stadium has not hosted any tests so far. However, there have been 12 ODIs played here, with the first ODI, which was played on 16th of August 2000 between the home side and South Africa. The highest score is 328 for 4 made by Australia against the ICC World 11, while the lowest is 137 all out made by ICC World 11 in the same match. Number 8, jointly tied between 3 stadiums. Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekna Cricket Stadium, Lucknow, India, 50,000. Popularly known as Ekna Cricket Stadium, there is a seating capacity of 50,000 here. Inaugurated in 2017, this stadium also happens to be one of the home grounds for the Afghanistan cricket team in India. Ekna Cricket Stadium has hosted only one test and one ODI played between Afghanistan and West Indies in 2019 and one T20 international between India and West Indies in 2018. JSCA International Cricket Stadium, Ranchi, India, 50,000. Opened in 2011 and with a seating capacity of 50,000 spectators, JSCA International Cricket Stadium has seen only 2 tests and 5 ODIs so far. The first test was played between India and Australia in 2017, while the first ODI was played on 19 January 2013 between India and England. The highest total in tests is 603 for 9 declared made by India versus Australia, while the lowest total is 133 all out made by South Africa. The highest total in ODIs is 313 for 5 made by Australia against India, while the lowest is 155 made by England versus India. MA Chithambaram Stadium, Chennai, India, 50,000. The second oldest cricket stadium of the country, the MA Chithambaram Stadium was opened in 1916 and has a seating capacity of 50,000. A total of 34 tests, 22 ODIs and T20s have been played here, with the first test played in 1934 between India and England. The first ODI was played on 9th of October 1987 between India and Australia. The highest total in test is 759 for 7 declared made by India versus England, while the lowest is 83 all out also made by India against England. The highest total in ODIs is 337 for 7 made by Asia 11 against Africa 11, while the lowest is 69 made by Kenya versus New Zealand. Number 7, Adelaide Oval, Adelaide, Australia, 53,583. Opened in 1871 and with a seating capacity of over 53,000 spectators, Adelaide Oval has seen the first test in 1884 between Australia and England. A total of 79 tests, 85 ODIs and 5 T20s have been played here. The first ODI was played on 20th of December 1975 between Australia and West Indies. The highest total in tests is 674 made by Australia versus India, while the lowest is 36 all out made by India against Australia very recently. The highest total in ODIs is 369 for 7 made by Australia against Pakistan, while the lowest is 70 made by the Aussies versus the Kiwis. Number 6, jointly tied between two stadiums. Greenfield International Stadium, Trivandrum, India, 55,000. This new stadium was opened in 2015 and with a seating capacity of 55,000 people. Greenfield International Stadium has seen only one ODI between India and West Indies on 1st of November 2018 and two T20s, with the first being on 7th of November 2017 between India and New Zealand. Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium, Hyderabad, India, 55,000. Opened in 2003 and with a seating capacity of 55,000 people, this stadium at Hyderabad has seen 5 tests, 6 ODIs and 1 T20. The first test was played between India and New Zealand in 2010, while the first ODI was played on 16th of November 2005 between India and South Africa. The highest total in tests is 687 for 7 made by India versus Bangladesh, while the lowest is 127 all out made by West Indies against India. The highest total in ODIs is 350 for 4 made by Australia against England, while the lowest is 174 all out made by England versus India. Number 5, Perth Stadium, Perth, Australia, 60,000. Also known as the Optus Stadium, it has a seating capacity of 60,000 and was opened in 2018. This ground has seen 2 tests, 2 ODIs and 1 T20. The first test was played between Australia and India in 2018, while the first ODI was played on 28th January 2018 between Australia and England. The highest total in tests is 416 made by Australia versus New Zealand, while the lowest is 140 all out made by India against Australia. The highest total in ODIs is 259 made by England against Australia, while the lowest is 152 all out made by Australia against the Proteas. Number 4, Shahid Veer Narayan Singh International Cricket Stadium, Raipur, India, 65,000. Opened in 2008 and with a crowd capacity of 65,000, this stadium is yet to see any international matches being hosted. However, this venue is used in IPLs as the second home ground of Delhi Capitals. In 2010, the Canada national cricket team played a match against the Chhattisgarh state team here. Number 3, Eden Gardens, Kolkata, India, 68,000. Established in 1864, Eden Gardens is the oldest cricket stadium in the country. With a seating capacity of 68,000, this ground has seen its first test in 1934 between India and England. A total of 42 tests, 30 ODIs and 7 T20s have been played here. The first ODI was played on 18th February 1987 between India and Pakistan. The highest total in tests is 657 for 7 made by India versus Australia, while the lowest is 90 all out made by India against West Indies. The highest total in ODIs is 404 for 5 made by India against Sri Lanka, while the lowest is 123 all out made by the West Indian side against India. Number 2, Melbourne Cricket Ground, Melbourne, Australia, 100,000. Built in 1853, MCG has a seating capacity of 100,000 people. The first ever test match played in 1877 between Australia and England happened at this ground. The first ever ODI match played between Australia and England on 5th of January 1971 also happened to be hosted by MCG. A total of 113 tests, 149 ODIs and 14 T20s have been played here. The highest total in tests is 624 for 8 made by Australia versus Pakistan, while the lowest is 36 all out made by South Africa against Australia. The highest total in ODIs is 344 for 8 made by ICC World 11 against Asia 11, while the lowest is 94 all out made by England against Australia. Number 1, Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad, India, 1,32,000. Previously known as the Motera Stadium, it was originally opened in 1982. However, in 2015, the old stadium was completely taken down and a new stadium was built in its place, which was opened in 2020. The first test was played in 1983 between India and West Indies, and the first ODI was played on 5th of October 1984 between India and Australia. A total of 12 tests, 21 ODIs and 1 T20 have been played here. The highest total in tests is 760 for 7 made by Sri Lanka versus India, while the lowest is 76 all out made by India against South Africa. The highest total in ODIs is 365 for 2 made by South Africa against India, while the lowest is 85 all out made by Zimbabwe against West Indies. Hope you liked this episode from Cricket Stats. Please subscribe to the channel for more informative videos on cricket.